In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent your joint compound from drying out in your bucket and polluting your mud with Crusties. I've got two hacks for you, one using something from your kitchen and the other using the power of science. Let's do this. Joint compound Crusties, aka mud boogers, are super annoying when you're mudding your room and all of a sudden you have a floater ruining your finish. It's a real time killer, but it can be prevented. Hack number one is a cellophane hack, and here's how it works. Every time you scoop joint compound from your bucket, you should make sure that you leave the sidewalls of your bucket clean. Do this with the side of your 6-inch joint knife and run it around the edge of the bucket like this. This will displace the mud Klingons stuck to the side before they dry. Next, you're going to need some cellophane wrap. Get you some saran wrap and cover the surface of the mud with it. Squish it down a little if needed and make sure that every bit of the surface area of your mud is covered with cellophane. If you're storing your joint compound for a bit, this may buy you a couple months or more before the top crustifies. Okay, hack number two is the water hack. Once again, start by using your joint knife to knock the Klingons off of the sidewalls of your mud bucket while they're still wet. Fill yourself up a pitcher of water and pour a 1/2-inch layer of water over the top of the mud. Water has a lower density than joint compound, so it floats. Why does this matter? This means it won't seep down into your mud and dilute it like you might think. It just sits on top as a protective layer, making it impossible for the joint compound to dry out. When you're ready to use your joint compound again, just pour the water off of the top, give it a quick spin, and you're good to go. If you still have a case of the Crusties in your mud after these hacks, seek medical attention immediately. If you'd like to see the basement room where I'm utilizing this joint compound, you can check out the playlist linked here. And if after seeing this video you feel like I've earned your subscription, you can click the Man Cycle logo right here. See you next time.